Hi, today I'm doing a product review of this Tex-Mex.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living!
So for the very last part of these video sequences where I've been showing you how to use the Tex-Mex Jackfruit product, I'm going to make one simple taco. Now if you had a package of these full, you could use them over several tacos. It's a very good meal. It emulates meat. It's a win-win situation. We're also going to use some taco shells. These were purchased at Stater Brothers. They are 18 shells that come like this. And we're going to use these shells. Now, I don't believe these shells are made with lard. It says old grain, yellow corn. It's got canola oil, water, more yellow corn flour, salt, calcium, and hydroxide. Okay, so the next thing we do is we take the filled jackfruit taco shells out of the oven. They're hot. They've been in there exactly 5 minutes. This gives a chance. All we need to do is turn off the power off. You don't see any red over here, so you know it's safe. Now, your reason why you warm up your taco shells is because they're kind of stale by the time you get them. They've probably been in there for a long time. We're going to take them both off the pan and put on a plate. And we're going to move this to a safe place. From here, if you have your jackfruit, it's nice and warm. That's when you put your spinach in, like that. These are really simple to make. I mean, if you're missing the meat, the jackfruit is one way to be able to use this. If you're vegan and you like jackfruit, then it's just another way to be able to use jackfruit. Eventually, I'll be showing you how to use an actual jackfruit and using it in case of meat instead of meat. Next here, the last step is I like to use paste picante sauce. It's one of my favorites. And I like to pour it over the top of it. Okay. And that's all there is to it. Now, I would have normally add vegan cheese, but today I didn't have any. So it's going to be a very simple taco. So watch me as I eat it. Alright, so we have this taco with the jackfruit and the spinach. And I like it when the shell is warmed up. The jackfruit is incredibly hot, but because it's surrounded by the spinach and the taco shell, it's very good. Alright, thank you for watching. We'll see you in our next video. I could use 6 more of these.
If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.